Oh my gosh! We have an outfit change right away. Tell everyone to like and subscribe, Sienna Vlog. Subscribe to the channel and click on that bell button so we're always notified when we have new videos like this one. Or when we have new outfit changes, which is like 3 times a day because of Yayi. Okay, so what are we gonna do today, Sienna Vlog? Today we are going to pack for our Christmas trip. Yay! We are gonna pack already because Yaye is leaving us for Christmas and New Year's. So we're gonna pack while Yaye is here. So I told Yaye to bring out options, and then we'll just choose which we'll bring. But of course, pag si Yaye masusunod, she would want to bring everything. Even though Sienna doesn't have her own baggage allowance, meaning, and then me and Yoni, we only have 10 kilograms each per person and 7 kilograms for hand carry. And we still have to bring so much more essentials for Sienna, like her milk, her water. Exactly. But Yaye said nga, less for us, more for Sienna daw. Okay, got it. Noted with thanks. Okay, are you ready, Yaye, with your options? Di pa? Di pa.
Ako, talaga sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Dalhin lahat.
Hindi pwede dalhin lahat, Yaye! Ay, where are you going, my love? Also, why are you in a party dress? Where's the party?
We have a party later. Outside.
Outside.
Yan na ba? Mami, pasok mo to ha?
Ano yan? Masyado pang malaki yan, Yaye.
Bakit kasya sa kanya to? Maglalakad dun siya sa sa sand. Tapos gaganya-ganyan yung...
So, in short, gusto mo mag-gown si Sienna para may sumasayad-sayad sa sand.
Tapos ganyan,
Come here, come here. Don't get your camera. Let's first choose our packing cube. Gonna pack your
Ay,
dresses.
Sienna, pasuot ko pa to bukas sa kanya bago ako alis.
Lahat ng dresses talaga, Yaye. I see. Okay, so let's pack your swimsuit first. Okay, so we've got swimsuit number 1 over here. I really like this, so we pack this. But we have to pack the smaller ones first kasi baka hindi na sila magka-appearance. May favorites ka ba dito, Yaye?
Everything.
Wow, everything. Ito, Yaye, parang masyadong maliit for her, no?
Opo.
Sayang. Hindi kasi tayo nag-swimming noon. So cute pa naman. That's not a swimsuit, Yaye. Oh yeah, we can match.
Ay na. Ay, ipasuot mo to, ma'am, kasi pupunta siya doon sa
Saan?
Tapos maglakad-lakad siya. Oh, safety pa ko dito. Tatar na sila ni Ma.
Okay, oh, do you want this? You chose this, my love? Okay, so we're packing this swimsuit. Chosen by Sienna Vlog. Okay. Yeah, we're packing this, my love. Don't you worry, Mommy's packing everything that you give Mommy. You're a flamingo. Are you gonna wear your Nemo costume? Parang this one, no. It's too big pa naman. We can still wear this next time. This costume is for next time, Yayi. And then this one we like. Yes, boom. Doon ka naman sa camera ko. I-press mo lang yung red doon, no? Para i-stop. Doon sa likod ng camera. Okay. Ala, you took out Mommy's one, Pinasok ko na nga, ginulong na.
Ay. Nadudulas na siya sa damit niya.
Eh kasi si Yayi pinasuot o pinag-gown eh.
Ganyan talaga pa. Walang makawas sa buhay. Kaya bis lang lagi.
So this is our next swimsuit. So we're gonna go for this parang rash guard thing. Okay with you, Sienna Vlog? Okay? Yeah? Okay, let's pack this. Because we don't know if it's cold ba or hot or what, my love. We're gonna pack this also because Yayi said this is her favorite. Okay? Okay. Yayi, how about our hat options? Para hindi umitim ang alaga mo.
Hindi po, yung
Where?
yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna bring this hat. Toy. So it protects her from the sun like so.
Cheers!
Ta-dan! Ta-dan! Who's got ears? Sienna Vlog!
Ayaw niya eh. Oh. Ano naman? Pansinin mo daw siya, Yaya. Hi, my Sienna pa. Ano yung ginagawa niya?
May furbo. Parang pusa.
Are you hungry? Sienna, pag hungry na ka.
Okay, feeding time. And then this is our other swimsuit that we're bringing. So many naman. But we're gonna bring extras because that's just how we roll with babies. You always need to have extras. So these I will save because these are still bigger. So they're for 1 to 2 years old. So I can save this for our next beach trips. Or maybe I'll bring this because I feel like we have a matching moment for this. Why? You wanna be involved in the packing, my love? Oh, here. Mommy shows you. These are all your swimsuits we're bringing. Okay? Ayan. Okay, we're gonna choose our hats, my love, so that they match your outfits. Like this one. Yes? Hold on. Yaya and Mommy's busy. This is too big still, no? Oh, where's Mommy? You found Mommy. Where's Mommy? Ah, you found Mommy again. So we have our hat options already. Ay, wait lang. This one's also cute. Our favorite of yours. Where's Mommy? You found Mommy again. Daddy's gonna be mad if we bring too much stuff. This one not yet then because this is too big pa Yay. It is okay now. We'll just tell Daddy we need options. Diba Yay?
No.
Yeah, we need options. Okay, next. Our panlabas clothes. Our out of the pool, out of water clothes. Mga pa-cute clothes. OOTD clothes. What are our options, Yay? Okay, this is Yay's favorite. Because Yay likes her sexy clothes now for Sienna Bog. So, we have, yes, where are you going, my love? Mama needs to watch you. You might suddenly boink. Okay, where are you going? Come back to Mommy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, back to here. Okay, so we're gonna be wearing this from Claude Official. So we have a matchy situation over here. I have one also. Okay, okay, she is unpacking her stuff. And then next, Yay, this one also we're gonna pack with us. So this is, I don't know if you guys remember, but when my sister and I went to, when we went to Burano in Italy, my sister actually bought this. I wasn't pregnant yet, like there were no kids in the family yet, but she wanted like an heirloom piece, so we're gonna bring this. See, my love, oh, this one and this one. Ay, where's Sienna Bog?
Mga ganito ba? Ito po.
Yeah. Okay, so this is our shoes. And then yung next outfit. Hindi mo masyado ito makapal, Lady.
Ay, ito pa pang yung pang beach niya.
Ito pa. Ayan, galing kay Ai also. Galing kay sister of mine. Okay. Ay, my hat, Yay!
Yes po.
Oh my gosh, so cute. So this is the hat. Yung pang Christmas, Yay.
Ah, Christmas. Pasuot mo yan, ma'am.
Okay, got it, Yay. Hindi ba masyadong malaki pa to sa kanya?
Sis, walang malaki-laki kasi hindi man siya mag-raran.
Okay. So we've added more dresses here. We're gonna bring this dress as well. And this dress. I mean, I think it's just right, diba, Yay? Walang right mag-complain si Yoni. Kasi babies, you know, we get accidents. O what if nataihan, diba, Yay? Kailangan ng mga extra. Kung ayaw niyo ng extra siya mag-empake, di ba, Yay?
Opo.
Correct.
Siya mang problema.
Totoo. Okay, next na, Yay. Mga shoes to partner. Sandals and socks with silicone.
Ayun, yung outfit ni Ai.
Ayan. Okay, so we have shoes for this outfit. For this dress, Yay. Ayan. Our Christmas shoes. Let's not eat. Oopsie daisy. Okay, tapos mga pantulog time na. Okay, we're gonna bring our Christmas pantulogs. Okay, so this one, we have our Christmas one, Christmas 2, Christmas. This one may matching hat pa. Tada! Got Santa's helper written here. And then we have here Okay, we're bringing all of this. Oh, so cute, our socks. Yeah, okay. And then we're also gonna bring her sleep suits here. And then we're also gonna bring Sienna bug there. So we're gonna bring 2 absorbent pads as well, just to put on the mattress. Shush, this girl wants to see the camera. Hold on, Mama fixes. Okay, there you go. She's trying to climb the tripod. No, my love. Stay here lang. Oh, yay, we need mga ribbons to match all the looks. Yung gray na may botones. Ayan na si Yay is gonna choose her headpiece. Wait lang. Okay. Ay, sunglasses. Hold on, my love. We need you to keep still or else you'll get accidents. My gosh. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. I put you here first. You play with your Mase. Okay, so Sienna is now playing in her playpen safely. So we're gonna bring 3 sunnies. Lahat ng sunnies, Yay? Lahat talaga?
Siyempre, araw-araw siya magbihis. Iba-iba.
Okay. Araw-araw daw dapat iba-iba. Okay, got it. Ang laki talaga nito.
Maglarampayan siya.
Okay. So Yay has already been warning me. She said that she will watch daw how we style Sienna's hair. And I said I won't be sending photos, and she said she will be watching closely. We were already threatened. So these are her swimsuits.
Ay, kung sinusunod ko yun.
Saan yan? Ah, okay. So you... Okay. Okay, so Yay's orders. Yes? Sorry, my love. You have to stay there. You have to be safe there. You're makulit eh. Magulo. Sienna kulit. Oh my gosh, mas marami pang outfit sa akin si Sienna. Hindi ko nadalhin tong hat. Para sabihin naman ni Yoni, may nabawas tayo. Okay, and then Yay are shoes.
Wala na 10 kilos siya naman.
Napunta na lahat kay Sienna. Ay, Yay, meron na pa tayong outfit papunta.
Siyempre, mamili na dito mga...
Ha?
Bakit?
Ah, sige, okay. Tapos pagkalan, bihis.
Opo.
Okay.
Siyempre, lagyan yung...
Okay.
Pagpagpa si Sir.
So we have all her clips already here. Okay. Okay, so we've packed everything. We've packed her bathtub. We've packed her floaty. We've packed some toys with us. So this one we're gonna bring with us because she loves it during bath time. And then we packed this book because she likes these books because they make sounds. We're packing her fan. I also bought some diapers that are for swimming. I also am we're bringing a lot, you know, because honestly with babies you can never tell. So I'm also bringing her Alilo bunny because it distracts her a lot.
Hello, I'm Alilo.
Ta-da!
Let's be friends.
And she tries to eat it. Then I'm bringing this as well because it's something that floats, so it's dual purpose. It could also be her bath toy. What else do we have, my love? And then we're also bringing her thingy. I don't know what you call this. A ladle. We're bringing her ladle. And then we're bringing a bunch of her medicine and creams. And then I think we're ready. Which means basically our 10 kilos is all for Sienna. But that's how it is when you travel with a baby, right? We're bringing tons of diapers. As per usual, we're bringing wipes. What else? I think that's pretty much it. In short, we're bringing our entire house. So that's it for today's vlog. We're gonna make it really, really quick. I hope that you enjoyed this quick vlogmas. Next time I see you, it's already after Christmas, so I just want to wish you guys a... Sienna Bug, let's wish them a Merry Christmas. Sienna Bug and I would like... She is distracted by her toy. Okay, wait, Mommy brings the toy to you. Ta-da! Sienna Bug and I would like to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope that you guys enjoy the holidays and you're with your family or loved ones. And see you guys, well, I think we still have one vlog actually before next year. So, see you guys soon. Bye! Please make sure to leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up. Bye! My little walker.